Hey guys, it's Mrs. Paul, and today I'm going to show you how to import sounds from YouTube for free. Now, why would you want to do this? You might want to get some music for the beginning, the middle, or end to fade in and fade out. You might want sounds like a crowd cheering in part of your podcast, whatever you need there. So I'm going to show you how to get these sounds for free. So in my document that has all the links to the screencast, if you scroll down to the third page, there number 5 says adding in supplemental sounds to your podcast. You're going to click this link right here for YouTube, and it's going to take you to a free audio library. And so see, these are all sound effects, and say I wanted a crowd cheering, I would type in crowd, and it would give me all the sounds of a crowd. So say I like this one. I'm going to then take this one, download, and it'll come right here. And if I want to find out where it downloaded, I go show in folder. It's called Battle Crowd Celebration. And then I'm going to go back to Audacity, and I'm going to go to File, Import Local Sound File, and I'm going to hit Choose File, and it's right here, Battle Crowd Celebrate. I'm going to import audio, and it's going to import it for me right here. So, and then we can see, you can play it to hear it. Thanks for being on. So that is the crowd sound. You can also get free music here, and not just sound effects, but when you get the free music, just make sure that you say attribution not required, because that means you're taking someone's stuff who is letting you take their music. And if you do attribution required, that means you're going to have to say where you got the music from. So just hit attribution not required. In this case, you would do the same thing. Search for the music you want, download it, and upload it as a local sound file. So that's how you can incorporate different sounds into your podcast. You're going to want to do this, maybe not until you have the podcast all ready to go, maybe later on, maybe right away, up to you, however you want to edit your podcast. So yeah, that's the free sounds and free music. Thank you.